For all the latest updates, subscribe to News 9.
South Indian actress Ramya Krishnan, who is popularly known as Shivagami Devi from Bahubali series, had done a handful of Bollywood films in the 90s. But it has been a long time since the audience saw her in a Hindi film. Ramya Krishnan has worked in Hindi films like Khalnayak, Criminal and Bade Miyan Chote Miyan. After these movies, Ramya was not seen in any of the Bollywood movies, which seemed like she took a break from Hindi films. When asked as to why she was not seen on screen, Ramya Krishnan said she didn't take any such break from Bollywood films.
I didn't take a break. Basically, my films didn't do well and I didn't take any interest in the offers that were coming my way. Meanwhile, I was doing very well for myself in South Indian films.
She was meant to work in a Hindi-Tamil film starring Amitabh Bachchan, but the project didn't take off. But there is one Telugu Hindi film coming up which stars Vijay Deverakonda and Ananya Pandey. In a kitty party with stars, Ramya spoke about how excited she is about the film.
It is co-produced by Karan Johar. Puri Jagannath is the director. That is going to be another almost a Bahubali for sure. Almost 50% of the shoot is done. We will resume after the quarantine phase.
Ramya Krishnan's web series Queen has been currently aired on Zee TV. The actor is making the most of the lockdown phase in Chennai. Ramya said she will return to sets as soon as things get back to normal, and she also shared what she has been doing in this COVID-19 lockdown.
I plan recipes, cook, work out, spend time with family. It's been interesting so far. It's been quite peaceful so far, except for the fact that many people are not in the same comfortable space like the daily wagers and migrant workers. That breaks my heart. There is an uncertainty of COVID-19 also, which troubles us now and then. Otherwise, it's been a change for me. I have never got so many days where I have stayed at home for so long. I think the world is healing. There is less pollution and less traffic. I know very soon we will start doing whatever we have been doing, but I'm just enjoying right now. I have decided to enjoy it as long as it lasts.
Ramya also said that she learns from the films she acts in, especially Bahubali series, which was her career highlight among many other films she has acted in. Her character Shivagami Devi became so popular that a book titled The Rise of Shivagami was published in its wake.
If someone comes up with an incredible story, why wouldn't I do it? Shivagami was an unbelievably strong character. I would say it is one of the best characters of my career.
Ramya has acted in hundreds of films in multiple languages like Tamil, Telugu, Kannada, Malayalam and Hindi.